Okay guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija and you just logged on to Beautifully Slayed. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I do hope y'all enjoy my videos. In today's video, we are featuring Toyotress Hair, and this is their 8-inch passion twist in the color T30, and this is their packaging. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received. So this is their 8-inch passion twist hair, and I will put the link down below so you guys can get it. So we received 8 packs of hair. We also received a crochet needle and some accessories for our crochet hair. So this is what our hair is looking like. It has black roots and blonde ends. It already came pre-twisted. I received 8 packs. This is Toyotress Hair, and this is their 8-inch passion twist in the color T30, and this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my hair, but if you want to get this hair, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Toyotress Hair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair, but this is what our hair is looking like. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Again, today we're featuring Toyotress Hair, and this is their 8-inch passion twist, and this is the color T30, and this is what it's looking like. This is it. If you want to get this hair, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Toyotress Hair, their website is also in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is it. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.